to the assembly complex.
Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih urakam sangma ulang bakasarkar jela ke kenduk Jingbym kadai ban penyeng ya ke Ekalavya Model Residential School hapok ke jela namar ke Jingbym dan Jaka. Hakaju kapor ulakular bakakam bayadai bagi Shna kini ke school kan sedang mentah usnem. Unong aibut syaka sarkar jela hakaliang ke Puli Putih uba HM Sang Pliang ulang ba Ketenat Puli Putih Shen kan sakmibnya ban sedang ya ke jingte jong ke Ekalavya Model Residential School ha Meghalaya. Kesarkar India hapok Ketenat Tribal Affairs kelamang kumba Saupo Teli ki Ekalavya Model Residential School ha Meghalaya.
This year, it's my commitment. We will see the works done on EMRS, and we are working aggressively. I'll be having again one review meeting next week with all the Manico and the Webco's team and our department. I think that will be we'll see the final improvement. Yes, it is some of the Ekalavya Regional School has been tender plotted and recently, and they are on pipeline, but we have to see the real picture when the things happened.
Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih urakam sangma ulang